Hi guys, I just want to say I'm so excited about this. Congratulations. पहले तो मैं आप तीनों को वेलकम करना चाहूंगी, लेकिन मैं कहूंगी कि Athar is still on the run or perhaps taking cover.
Yeah.
They are not saying.
Athar is Athar थोड़ा busy है.
थोड़ा busy है. अच्छा, ठीक कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं हमें. और इस सीजन में the hunter has become the hunted. With all of you in danger, मैं देख रही हूँ कि स्क्रीन पर टारगेट तो आप भी हो चुके हैं. So yeah, between you and me,
Yeah.
मुझे तो बता ही सकती हो ना कि श्रीकांत कहाँ है. Don't worry, you can trust.
Okay.
They're not giving me anything. They're not giving me anything here. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आपसे पूछ लूँ एक और बार कि सर कहाँ हैं, या फिर आपको इस बार भी कुछ उल्टा ही बोल दिया है.
मुझे पूछ रहे हैं?
हाँ जी.
Okay, मैं एक बात बताऊँ आपको.
हाँ जी.
आज तक श्रीकांत ने तो उनका लोकेशन कहाँ है हमें तो पता नहीं है. हमें बताया भी नहीं है. तो हम आपको कैसे बताएंगे?
अरे यार, I'm
Maybe JK uncle.
maybe JK uncle. JK uncle मुझे एक हेल्प चाहिए.
One second. Only she can call me JK uncle.
She.
You can call me JK. Just JK.
Just JK. JK, will you do me a favor? Would the two of you kindly step on that side? Ashlesha, would you kindly be here? And yes. JK, okay. झूठ मत बोलना. सिर्फ तुम्हें ही पता होता है कि श्रीकांत कहाँ है.
बोलो जेके.
हाँ, मैं लास्ट में जब वो ऑफिस से निकला था तो उसने कुर्ला रोड पकड़ा था, लेकिन उसके बाद आई थिंक वो लोखंड वाला नहीं लोखंड वाला नहीं, फिर उसने मीरा रोड की तरफ जा रहा था. नहीं,
एक काम कीजिए, आप मुझे अपना उनका लाइव लोकेशन भी शेयर कर दो ना. कम ऑन यार.
नहीं, अगर लाइव लोकेशन आपको शेयर करूंगा तो आपको डेड होना पड़ेगा.
ओह, नाइस वन.
भाई लॉयल दोस्त हूँ, ऐसे मैं गद्दारी नहीं कर सकता अपने दोस्त के साथ.
क्या बात है. दोस्तों तो कोई आपसे सीखे JK. Thank you so much. Each of you, I want to say, we're very excited that you all are back, and thank you so much for joining us. Kindly join us in the front of house.
Thank
you. Give them a round of applause, guys. This is amazing. You look absolutely stunning, and I want to start off by telling you, you're looking just as slick and sharp as your character, Meera. First question has to be, how does it feel to join the Family Man universe?
Oh, thank you so much. And they say कि you don't choose where you're born, you don't choose where you die, you don't choose your family, but I get to choose my family this time around, and there couldn't have been a better one.
Nimra, thank you so much. What a beautiful thing to say. I heard my friends from the press say that they want a little more light. Would you kindly raise the house lights a little bit for Nimra? Thank you so much. I hope you're okay now. Thank you, Nimrat, for your patience. That is absolutely lovely. Also, aren't we all just fans of Rajan BK? But मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि यार आप श्रीकांत और उसके फैमिली के पीछे क्यों पड़ी हैं? प्लीज बता दीजिए.
मैं आपको बहुत कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ रोहिणी. एक्चुअली लास्ट मैंने सुना शायद श्रीकांत तिवारी शायद मीरा रोड के आसपास कहीं है, ऐसा मैंने सुना बैक स्टेज. बट अगर मैंने आपको उनकी लोकेशन बता दी तो मुझे शायद आपको मानना पड़ेगा. And there'll be too many spoilers, and I don't want to do that.
So I guess you will find Shrikant one way or another, है ना?
No comments.
No comments.
Yes.
She never gives me anything.
No.
आप कोशिश तो कर रही हैं श्रीकांत तिवारी को.
मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I've got my eyes everywhere, and I always get what I'm looking for.
She's got her eyes everywhere. What? You literally have your इनका किया कराया देख रहे हैं what's happening. देख रहे हैं आप इतनी ज़्यादा surveillance. I have no doubt, Nimra, that you or Meera, as I said, would be able to find Shrikant. Thank you so much for joining us once again. And please will you join us from the house. Thank you. A round of applause for the amazing Nimra. Jaideep.
Hello.
मैं आपको क्या कहूँ? जयदीप कहूँ कि रुकमा कहूँ?
जो आपका मन है.
Yeah, thank you so much. I don't know how you do it, Jerry, but for every role and every character you play, the audience comes to love it. आपको लगता है कि रुकमा जो है will also make that place in the hearts of fans, despite being the antagonist, या जो दिख रहा है, and despite facing off against Shrikant Tiwari.
I'm really grateful, Rajan DK, my home pride. What can anybody ask
You know, starting this year with Patal Lok and ending with the family man, Rajan PK and one and only Manoj Bhai. I can't ask for. Thank you so much.
No, this is amazing. Universes colliding. He said it. He said Patal Lok, yeah, all those fans, all that love. And now he's part of one of our favorite shows, The Family Man. लेकिन अब काम की बात करते हैं. हमने मीरा से भी वही सवाल पूछा जो मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ. आप श्रीकांत तिवारी के पीछे क्यों पड़े हो?
थोड़ा पर्सनल हो गया मामला. देखो स्पॉयलर्स तो नहीं बता सकता मैं, पर मैं आपको इतना बता सकता हूँ कि श्रीकांत की आदत है सबके काम में टांग अड़ाने की, फैमिली में, बच्चों के काम में, सबके काम में टांग अड़ाने की आदत है. तो अब उसके काम में मैं टांग अड़ा रहा हूँ. देखते हैं कहाँ तक भागेगा.
क्या बात है. तो आप उसको ढूंढ के ही निकालोगे ये मुझे लग रहा है. मे बी आई शुड थैंक यू बिकॉज हम सभी 4 सालों से श्रीकांत को ढूंढने की भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब तक हमें कोई लक नहीं मिला है. So I might thank you in just a little bit, but right now, thank you so much for joining us on stage. Give it up to Jerry Malawas! Manoj ji, या मैं कहूँ श्रीकांत तिवारी. इतना वक्त क्यों लग गया आपको आने में?
चाहता था कि
जिम्बल
हाँ जी क्या बोला जी?
ठीक है
जोर से नहीं बोलूंगा तो क्या ही मैं बात करूं. जी वक्त तड़पाने में जितना मजा आता है ना,
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जब आपको पता है कि आग दोनों तरफ लगी हुई है तो थोड़ा तड़पा करके पानी देने में ज्यादा मजा आता है. लेकिन जब हम आए हैं तो आशा करते हैं कि आपको पूरा मटके का पानी इस बार पिलाएंगे.
क्या बात है. This is amazing. Honestly, हम सब ने आपको as श्रीकांत तिवारी बहुत मिस किया. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, how does it feel to be श्रीकांत तिवारी again?
I personally love playing this guy. Also because it has everything about a human being. All the faults, all the advantages and disadvantages of every human being. I think इसीलिए लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं कि ये श्रीकांत तिवारी हर किसी के पिता के जैसा भी लगता है, हर किसी के पति के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी के दोस्त के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी का कंपेनियन, हर किसी का कुलीग भी लगता है. So I think Shrikant Tiwari is also any guy who is traveling in the metro here, or any guy who is going in the car, in the traffic. I think that's the biggest strength of the guy.
I completely agree with you. I'm very curious. Season 1, you know, आप मूसा को ट्रैक कर रहे थे. Season 2 में आप राजी को ट्रैक कर रहे थे. लेकिन इस बार आप दौड़ रहे हैं और रुकमा जो है वो आपके पीछे है. So how does it feel to have those roles reversed?
I mean, as an actor, I would say that this time all those advantages that one had, you know, as an actor, when I was playing Shrikant Tiwari, who was always on top of things. Here, you know, keeping the Shrikant Tiwari alive in me, but at the same time, who is somebody who is really not on top of things.
Oh my God!
He's
Yeah.
losing all the time. The opponent are far made and far more stronger.
I know एक श्रीकांत तिवारी के पीछे बहुत सारे लोग पड़े हैं इस बार, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से श्रीकांत हमेशा से श्रीकांत के हैं और रहेंगे.
But humor नहीं आता है, क्योंकि श्रीकांत तिवारी बनारस का आदमी है.
क्या बात है. बिल्कुल. No, seriously, he's the most loved spy, courageously facing dangers and his enemies. लेकिन एक छोटी सी गुस्ताखी मैं करूँ आज स्टेज पर, मेरे इतने सारे भाई बहन हैं मीडिया के, और उनके सामने आपके जो नेमेसिस हैं, रुकमा को बुला दिया जाए स्टेज पर एक, जिसे कहते हैं फेस ऑफ के लिए. Would you guys like to see that? You gotta ask for it. You gotta. I'm not giving it to you. Sources.
Yes,
Yes. I'm getting it. And let's get on Rukma for the face off. Wow, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत गलत है कि बहुत इंटेंस हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये जो मोहब्बत है आप दूसरों के बीच में, I mean, मैं कौन हूँ उसके बीच आने वाली. Thank you so much, guys. Both of you, please stay with us on stage. बाकी का जो है वो आप शो पर देख लीजिए. I'd like the two of you to kindly step a little forward for me. Thank you so much. And इनके साथ साथ let's actually call on the entire family of the family man. सबसे पहले of course निखिल, राज, DK, शारिद. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए दोस्तों. Nimrat, along with Suman Kumar, Tushar Seth, who joined season 3 as directors, and Sumit Arora, the dialogue writers for the series. Kindly find your seats. Wow, truly, this family, okay? First of all, welcome each and every one of you to your own trailer launch. It's your own trailer launch, guys. So, I know it might feel out of body, but I'm gonna ask you a few questions so that we can decode what season 3 is all about. Manoj ji, उम्मीद है आपके हाथ में mic है. I want to ask you एक ऐसी similarity between you and श्रीकांत तिवारी. और अगर श्रीकांत जो है वो या फिर मनोज जी जो है, अगर वो श्रीकांत जैसे situation में होते, तो वो रुकमा जैसे रेड को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
दोस्त बना लेगा.
देख लिया हमने.
नहीं, आप you're forgetting that I'm also a Bihari. We use brain most of the time more than the broad.
Thank you for that, guys. I don't expect any serious answers, and let's keep it that way, okay? Jaydeep साहब, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आपके हाथ में माइक है. Everything about Rukma looks menacing. So मुझे आपसे जानना है कि ये जो masterminds हैं, जो operatives हैं राजनीति के, इन्होंने आपके इस रुकमा के लिए कोई नोट्स दिए थे? क्या कहा था आपसे कि ये कैसा आदमी है?
बहुत सारी बातों के साथ एक जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये थी कि रुकमा इज अ डिटैच्ड गाय. ही कैन नॉट इमोशनली अटैच नहीं हो सकता किसी भी चीज से. और होता ये है कि वो एक्चुअली हो जाता है किसी चीज से, अपनी फैमिली से, या जो भी उसकी लाइफ में हो रहा है. एंड somehow he's attached to श्रीकांत also. आप उसका कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता, बट वो स्टार्ट जो है वो इस तरह इंसान है. He doesn't care for anything.
Wow.
Anything at all.
You know, those are the most dangerous guys. Ask me. Oh, okay, don't ask me. That's very personal. Let's move ahead. Let's go to Raj. Raj, I hope you have a mic with you. Thank you so much. Despite Rukma being such a towering personality, I see how you guys have given us not one but two antagonists this season. So the question is, why? Why?
Shrikant is getting too tough to handle. So we had Musa, the first Musa
Yes.
Sajid. It was all a nexus, and then we had Raji and the whole the group. This time we really had to crack our brains to come up with this antagonist. We didn't realize that we were creating big antagonists each time. We didn't realize we were doing two each time. But then we realized that we better have something that's very formidable for Shrikant and the team. And we thought of Beauty and the Brains, or like Beauty and Brawn. Brains and Brawn, sorry, I got it. Brains and Brawn. So I thought that was a good split between them in terms of how somebody can trap an intelligence unit, an intelligence agent. So yeah, that was the thought behind it.
Absolutely. And when you said brains, of course, that's referring to Nimrat's character, Meera. Nimrat, let me start off by saying, I remember you playing this negative character once in a multiple Emmy award-winning show. So it took me back to that for a second. But I want to ask you how Meera is different from all of those amazing characters you played in the past.
You know, there's nothing more fun than playing evil, and you don't get to go to jail for it. That's the best part. You know, you can do what you want, and in their universe, you know, you can really do what you want and get away with murder, plotting, and have great wardrobe while you do it.
Wow.
And do it in high heels with flamboyance and sex appeal, and Meera is all about that. So I find her to be like, you know, evil, but immature.
Love it. Love it.
It's a girl's dream. It's been a dream to work.
Evil is couture. I absolutely love that. TK, I hope you have a mic. Shrikant, of course, has changed a lot since season 1. So my question to you is, how did you evolve his world and character in this season? Because you still gotta keep it fresh, and you still gotta keep it relatable.
As you can see, everybody gets older, right? I mean, somehow Manoj managed to stay the same age from season 1, but everybody else gets older. The kids are getting older, everybody's getting older. We have to adapt to that as well. And see, from a story perspective, we already knew we had an entire, I think we were relying on Manoj to have a completely different way of playing it by making him the target instead of the one that is going after somebody. So that automatically, changed a lot for him. Having said that, the kids have grown up. So we thought it is time for our curve now to know the secret. That's what the trailer starts with.
True.
And so yeah, I mean, we in reality, we had to adapt with, that we are in a season 3. We need to bring new, more mature angles to the same characters, but at the core of it is the same character, but we still need to explore a new dimension. And to do that, we put them in a new situation that they've never been in. Be it the family also, we put them literally in danger in the season. So, and without anybody else to protect them. So they have to explore new parts of their personality that they never knew existed. I guess that's one way of kind of taking the character forward.
Yeah, the family and the family man's really cracking this season, man, and I'm absolutely loving that. So, thank you so much. A round of applause for that. So I think it's not easy to do that way. Nikhil, okay, now I want my audience to, just give me a little love when I take the name of the show that we all love, okay? The Family Man, okay? Thank you. Mirzapur, Patalok, Made in Heaven, Suna the Vortex, Panchayat. Sorry, I'm picking pictures, and they've returned for multiple seasons. You've also announced new seasons for Call Me Bae, Dupaiya, Call Me Bae, yeah, okay. And my personal favorite, and this is a reveling, The Traitors. Men who मुझे होना चाहिए वो शो पर लेकिन अगली बार. But what's the secret between Prime Video's consistent success in achieving what many other platforms can only dream of, darling?
I think one person who's responsible for that is Saira, who's sitting here.
Hey!
I think when a show is made and we are thinking about taking a new season, we ask ourselves 2 questions: whether the first show was universally loved, or did it become someone's favorite story? And second, does the new season genuinely have a story to build a character out? And unless both those things are met, we don't sort of go ahead and just to milk the IP, launch a new season. इतने सारे shows बन रहे हैं, इतना सारा content है, उसमें to deliver success becomes harder and harder. So these 2 things are very important. It also means that between 2 seasons, it takes us time to get the writing extremely perfect, and a lot of times our viewers are complaining that there's too much gap between seasons, but that's what it takes. And I think there's also a softer aspect that people don't talk about, which is the creative culture of an organization and the spirit of collaboration with which we work with our partners. That's one huge reason why some of the country's best creators, including Raj and DK, keep coming back to us with their best stories season after season and the new seasons. It's a soft thing, but I can tell you it makes a huge difference to the quality of stories that come out.
Well, thank you so much for sharing that. I'm going to actually add on to that question, taking it to Raj and DK, both of you. You just talked about, chemistry. Between a platform and the creators. What do you think that chemistry is that you share with Prime Video?
Prime's like family. That's where we started, and the members keep rotating, but the family is the same.
Wow.
And Nikhil and Saira have been like rock strong behind us, letting us do what we want, and we get a lot of independence playground to play with. It's been a great journey. I mean, we've had like 3-4 shows, and we've got another one coming up, and it's been an unbelievable journey, right? Saira, you like what I said? So yeah, more than that, I just want to take a second to talk about the bigger, the core family. Suman's been there from the beginning as we created. So there's a lot of chemistry between us, and Sumit has been there since the beginning, since 3 to Family Man. So we've come a very long way, and we started adding our debut director Tushar, and our very important member Cheshta, our associate director. These are extremely strong pillars of the basic anyone. And of course, a brilliant cast. Darshan, my favorite, has been there forever.
Yes.
And Vipin, of course, looking very dashing today. Seema ji we were just very honored that she was part of this, and haven't been a more graceful, a leader in a show. So, and Dalip ji as colorful and cool as ever. And so glad to have them. And we, who else is I can see? And of course, we discovered Herman and our friends.
We have new writers on our writing room. Sudesh, Nikhil Gonzalez, and
It took 6 of us to write this show. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4 directors to make it. So yeah, I just want to thank the cast, an incredible cast and crew that's been in this
and
very
we have
long journey.
two members sitting there: Jay Charola, the DOP, production designer, Neha, costume designer, Sumit, editor. Sumit has been editing from his childhood. Sumit.
Yeah, Sumit was born in B2R, and we have Neha sitting there who's been with us for a long time now. Balance, our new cast member, that's joined brilliant job in the show. Yeah, and we're missing. Sorry, who? Parichay just DK was in love with Parichay.
Parichay.
But
He's done two of our bigger shows with Amazon as well.
Yeah.
Parsi and Family Man. So I mean,
Yeah,
what more can we say?
we're missing.
And other shows that offer a platform which we shall not be spoken here.
Thank you. I think it's lovely. I think I get the sense of it. It is truly a family on and off screen. Priyamani, I want to take this to you, and I'm so excited that you get to do so much this time, right? Because, of course, you're on the run. But सवाल तो यही है कि do you actually get a piece of that slick action for yourselves to do that?
I think they're the best ones to answer.
Answer that.
I've been telling them right from the start कि मुझे भी action दो because
है ना?
I have dabbled in a bit of action before. I have been telling them please give me some action. Okay, you can see very little of it. Yeah, around it.
She's not going to give it. This is Priyamani and me to be on stage. I ask questions, Priyamani reflects. Good job. Good job.
Arun bhai.
Thank you. So I'm not going to come to you at this point. I do want to ask you that there was so much love, right, that was given by Raju BK. And I know that there are some things in season 1 and 2, because you've been part of this journey, that fans may not have decoded even today. So is there something that you want to drop today at this trailer launch from seasons 1 and 2 that you think they didn't decode?
I can't
hear you. I get the question.
Is there an Easter egg from the previous seasons that they might not have decoded that you want to reveal today?
I don't think the fans have decoded what happened in Lonavala.
Yeah, exactly. Are you gonna? Please come.
Yeah, that's it. I think fans are smart enough to see through. Am I supposed to say something? You should have briefed me. I don't know.
You're supposed to say what
We're
happened
having
in
a lot
Lonavala.
of fun.
You are brief to say exactly what happened in Lonavala.
What happened? What happened in Lonavala? I would love to share with you guys, but unfortunately, that story will have to wait. Maybe there is a subsequent season. Sahira, you're
Or if there is, will there be a spin-off, Suman?
If there is a subsequent season, we choose to reveal what happened in Lonavala in graphic detail.
That's a good teaser for that season.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, just call it Family Man Lonavala edition. And that's like a slice. But thank you so much. I expected just that. That was great. Thank you so much. Suman and Tushar, okay, I'm going to go to you. Coming on board as directors for this season. First of all, no pressure. Okay, so I want to ask both of you, how difficult was it for you to actually step into directing this season?
मेरा फ्रेंड में है ना हाँ अच्छा
Well, it wasn't as difficult because I've been with them. I worked on season 2 as well. So it was, we know the world, we know the universe, there's a certain style to it. So yeah, wasn't as difficult to step into this team and into this family.
Well, thank you. Thank you. So you
No,
said it's
no,
not
छोटा,
difficult, so it was very easy for you. Please give me a different answer. No, you did okay. You have to give me a different answer.
Arun bhai.
See, I think the pressure is more as a writer. You conveniently did not talk about writing at all. That's okay. But the pressure is more because I'm already losing my mind over how we're gonna skin season 4. But the point is, the pressure as a writer was immense, and because of being in the best film school from season 1 to Fuzzy, I have learned a lot from them. I've seen them from the best seat in the room. How they take shots, how they don't compromise, how they don't settle for the average. They always look to punch way up. And also, by the time I came around for season 3, I had already directed a film in Tamil. So, and yeah, it is difficult. The direction is not easy. Tushar has been, in the direction department for ages. So for him, it is a natural progression. But for someone like me who's just done one film, there was a lot of pressure, especially when you have you said Rajan DK love me. You have to see me and DK. Like I'm just saying, you don't wait, some compromising, the schedules are tight, and you know the deal. So the pressure to make sure that we are at least 90% there.
There, of course.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah. Thank you so
But I would
much.
like to say that writing is still the biggest pleasure, and you will have to agree with that.
Well, man says that writing is the biggest pleasure, and I must say that I was saving the writing question to Sumit. Sumit, I hope you have a mic. So, too many lines here. Don't be a minimum guy. I mean, बहुत सारे lines. My question is, what does it take to come up with a line that's going to stay with the audience and be used in daily life? Like, is there a secret to that?
There is no secret to that. I think it all started with, I remember in a cafe, me and Rajan DK met, I think it was 2017 or 18 when the show was being developed, and I think they told me this log line, not even a log line, this line that I think if I'm not wrong, it was he's a world-class spy and a middle-class guy. And that identification with the character, I think is supreme for a writer. Like, how do you identify within yourself who's the protagonist? And that middle-class guy who happens to be or who's not doing is a world-class spy. That really nailed it for me. And I think the first sequence that we did, where he's going through this first day of his life, and he talks to his kids, and he's dropping them to the school, and they are like, कि तुम बड़े एहसान फरमा बोलो कि तुम मेरे को बोल रहे हो कि गाड़ी कैसी है एंड दैट लाइन आई थिंक वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऐसा हुआ था कि मुझे लाइन बोलता है वो आई थिंक हर किसी ने सुनी होगी वो लाइन कि जहाँ पर वो बोलते हैं कि ही सेज कि तुमको कदर नहीं है कि जब मैं स्कूल जाता था तो मैं साइकिल पे जाता था और मेरे दादाजी नदी एंड दे कंप्लीट द लाइन और दादाजी नदी पार करके so I think that line has been told to every kid in this country. So that identification helped me. Then when he finally gets done with the whole topic, he's so tired and he just utters those lines which has become iconic now. Ara home dash. So because it's the common man's frustration, and once you identify with that, everything becomes it just naturally flows because you are now feeling the character. And the second thing, which people say that Kali, like for me, it is not that. It is, I think. गाली एक अलंकार है भाषा का तो और जब तक उसको आप अलंकार की तरह देखते हो तब तक वो साउंड नहीं करता है बिल्कुल ऑफ जैसे ही आप उसको देखते हो कि ये है तो फिर वो आपकी राइटिंग में झलकेगा कि यार ये अखर रहा है कानों को लेकिन कभी वो अखरता नहीं है क्योंकि वो अलंकार की तरह इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है तो आई थिंक दीज आर द फंडामेंटल्स दैट आई हैव kept in mind while writing it and rest is it's a great teamwork and to have actors and have creators who have created this character it's been a great journey.
No, thank you so much. I really appreciate you sharing those insights. A round of applause for our writers again. Thank you. We're going to take this across to Sharif. Sharif, hi. कोई मतलब कुछ नहीं पूछ सकते तुमसे कभी भी श्रीकांत तिवारी के बारे में ऐसा दोस्त हो तो माशाल्लाह you will always be of course in good hands. So सबसे पहले तो कहूँगी that ये दोस्ती seriously I mean नजर ना लगे alright. अब मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि ये जो कैरेक्टर है जेके का वो कितना रिलेटेबल है क्योंकि ऐसा दोस्त हम सबको चाहिए. तो मुझे बताइए जब आप इस जेके के किरदार में आते हो आप क्या करते हो मेक श्योर कि भाई बिलीवेबल भी होना है और अपने दोस्त को हमेशा प्रोटेक्ट करना है.
दो चीजें हैं. सबसे पहले तो मैं एक डायलॉग भी याद रखता हूँ तो मैं उस कैरेक्टर में आ जाता हूँ.
क्या बात
कि भाई हम लोग गरीब आदमी हैं, तुम्हारे ब्रंच में हमारे महीने भर का लंच आ जाएगा.
क्या बात है. बिल्कुल.
और दूसरी चीज सुमन सुमित इन लोगों ने मिलके इतना बढ़िया किरदार लिखा राज एंड डीके और मतलब आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड दिस बट आई कांट रियली थैंक देम इनफ फॉर गिविंग मी जेके बिकॉज़ जेके चेंज्ड माय लाइफ एंड जो किरदार आपकी जिंदगी बदल देता है उसको आप भूल नहीं सकते. फिर वो आपके अंदर रच बस जाता है. तो मेरे लिए डिफिकल्टी होता है जेके के किरदार में आना और इट इज ऑल थैंक्स टू द क्रिएटर्स एंड मनोज सर प्रिया. मतलब हम सब ने मिलके अगर मनोज सर मुझे वो स्पेस नहीं देते तो मैं जेके कभी जेके नहीं बन पाता. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
बस आपके स्वयंवर का इंतजार रहेगा इस सीजन.
हाँ प्रॉमिस.
आपको पता है श्रीकांत तिवारी के प्रॉमिसेस कितने सच निकलते हैं.
उसी का डर है मुझे.
Well, thank you so much each of you for taking and answering my questions. लेकिन अब मेरी दरख्वास्त है जितने भी दोस्त हैं हमारे जो बैठे हैं we're gonna come to you guys for your questions. You know the drill. A mic will come to you if you raise your hand. Please make sure you're directing your question to who you want to ask it to on the stage, and they will be very delighted to answer your questions. Can we start media Q&A, please? And we have a hand up already. She's got a mic already. Please go back. Tell us your name first.
Hi, I'm Ranel from Bollywood Bubble. My question is to Nikhil. Nikhil,
would you stand up for us, Alex? Thank you.
Nikhil, in 2025, Prime Video has entertained us with numerous return seasons as well as new shows. How do you decide to balance it? How do you decide if we deserve a recurring season or a new show? How difficult is that?
I'm trying to find the right analogy. It's like, when you're hanging out with your best friends, you have certain moments and tasks and rituals that are giving comfort. Gossiping together, going for a drive, having tea or whatever together. And then with those same friends, you also want to go for new experiences that you've not done. It's the same for us. I think returning IP gives you that familiarity. These are characters and words that people love. And they look forward to spending more time, seeing where the journey has gone. But at the same time, they also want to see new experiences, and that's why the new IP comes into play, where you try and offer variety. That's the instinct. Sometimes we're able to get it completely right, sometimes not, but that's the nature of the creative business, and now we've been fortunate.
I have a follow-up to that. In 2026, what is Prime giving us? More new season, more recurring seasons? What are we going to be entertained to?
Just like every year, I think a good mix of returning seasons and a lot of new IP, and one big foray for next year is also a lot more original movies. So that's really what our 26 lineup looks like. We'll talk in December next year and you tell me if you liked it or not.
Well, thank you so much for your question, and thank you, Nikhil, for giving us the answer. Can I look around and ask who has the next question?
My question is to Raj and DK, this side. Every show you create has a distinct flavor, and we have seen that over the time, whichever series you have come up with. So what is the signature thing that you keep in mind, both of you, which creates it unique for the audience of them?
Idea is to not make the same thing again. Like once the Family Man worked so well initially, others were asking us to do another kind of Family Man. But the idea of horror comedy and then you want many more, so not go there. trying to, because at the end of it, we were engineers in past lives, and they left all that to come and make unique content. And if I were to do the same thing over and over, I'm not doing the right thing. So the idea is, I mean, that's why it takes so much from us to make a subsequent season and rather than a new show. But this is for the fans, it's for the world, it's for the characters that we all love, that you have a responsibility towards another season. But left up to us, we'll be making another new story. And that's what we live for, is to do something new each time, otherwise monotony is dead.
Thank you so much. I hope that was good for you. Can we have the next question, please? Straight from the house? Yes, that's Avira there. Hi.
Okay, this question is for Raj and DK. You will not see my face because I'm behind the camera. Okay. After the pleasantly surprising your audience with a crossover at Chalam Sir and the phone call between Shrikant and Michael in Farsi, can we expect a crossover happening here in Family Man?
How can we possibly answer that?
Come on, you have to give us something.
See, that is something for you to watch and see what. I mean, we already established that Farsi and Family Man are part of the universe. So beyond that, I mean, some Amazon executives sitting there are shaking their heads and making signs like. So yeah.
The problem is DK is blushing too much and it's giving away. So we'll stop there.
You need to help me doing it.
Thank you, Avira. You went straight to the kill. Great question, and I hope you got a great answer. Let's move on and have our next. Hand out, please. And there's a mic coming to you. There's Michael. You've got to keep your hand up though, darling. Otherwise, the mic won't reach you. Yeah? Thank you so much. The mic is with you.
I forgot we have fans back there, don't we?
Yes. Could you hold your mic closer?
Yeah.
And could you say it louder?
Hi, this is Karthik from the Union Express. My question is to Raj and DK. Just now Manoj sir was talking about that how Shrikant is so Varanasi. He mentioned that. I wanted to ask you guys, have you ever thought about a prequel to like the origin story of Shrikant? Like any spy show that's happening in Varanasi?
Only VFX can make me that,
No, the way Manoj is aging, I am waiting for him to age 5 more years backwards.
No, but Manoj is on a very strict regimen, like a biohacking anti-aging regimen. And he's going to age backwards and Priyaman is already there. So we will slowly go back and make a prequel. He would not let us cast another actor in a prequel otherwise, right?
You don't want to be buried alive.
Well, that was really a fun question.
That's a good idea though, that's a good idea. You've just given them an idea to be something without me. Okay.
You are young, of course.
No, but seriously, one of the ideas as we were creating the Family Man was not to have a flashback. There is no backstory for Shrikant Tiwari. It was a conscious choice not to even go there because you've seen it all before. So we wanted a format where we see what we see right now. And we discover the man and the family and the characters as you take the journey with the series and cutting back to show how, what, when.
Well, thank you so much for your question, and I hope you got an answer. Our next question.
Rohini,
it's right there. Shravan's going to ask the next one.
Hey, you guys, love the trailer of The Family Man. We're finally back after 4 years and we really like what we saw. Raja DK, my question is to you guys. It's been 4 years that we waited for The Family Man. Now, what happens in the OTT space is every week there is a new release that happens. Even for us as audience, it takes a while to get, oh, this is fun. Was there ever a fear for you guys as creators, yaar 4 saal hue hai, are the audience going to remember what happened?
Did Saira and Nikhil tell you to ask this question?
No.
Put more
This is my question. So why did you take 4 years?
सही पकड़े सर आपने.
No, I mean, it just took so long because like you were saying, we made for scene between, we made a few other things, but we also knew that, sometimes the fact that after 4 years people are still excited and people are waiting for it, I think that's a good sign. And so, hopefully the wait is worth it, but I think Manoj said when he came in, thoda wait karake, what did you say that time? Yeah. So I'm thinking I think the excitement is still fresh, and I do understand that you might have forgotten. That's why we even made a recap video for those of you who don't want to watch the whole season again, so that you can catch up very quickly and come and watch the season.
Also, I love what you guys did with Steel, right? The horror comedy. Do we see you returning to horror as a genre?
With Manoj Rajgir.
Yeah, probably. We would love that.
Yeah, when we went to Manoj initially and said this is actually a comedy too, we realized he hadn't done comedy per se. But see how he's excelling in any genre you put him in. So yes, horror, we have to take him. Just we need to find a new angle to it, to induce or infuse a unique touch. If we go back to horror, I would love to do it. I mean, we want to take on other genres as well. I think we have a nice angle now that we want to put in and come back to the big screen. So yeah, we have a couple of ideas brewing for next year.
Perfect, let's go.
Nice. All of them asking the best questions today.
Just for the heck of it, Rohini, can we have Mike there with the young ones? They want to say something.
Yeah, we're gonna take the mic there.
Can we get the mic there? Yeah.
There's a hand raised and would you kindly give it to him? Yes.
Hello, hi, I'm Hiral Sidhu, and I wanted to ask a question, Manoj sir. As an actor, how does it feel to see yourself in 3 different genres in 1 year? There's Jugnuma, there's Zende, and now Family Man.
Right. That's a very good. Somebody asked me a question.
So fan.
Yeah, that's what I'm passionate about. That's what gives me a kick, just being an actor, when you can dabble with a different genre and try to excel in each and everything that you are doing, and with different directors who have very, very different opinion about cinema and direction. So it's a challenge for an actor to fit into all of these interpretations and opinions and come out feeling happy that you've given your best and you've done well. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. Hands are raised and mics are in. Yes,
Hello,
mic
Manoj
is
sir. Hello, Priyamanda. Hi, sir. Sir, I am a biggest fan of you, both of you. I have watched a lot of Telugu cinema. And I have first seen you in Happy Movie with Allu Arjun sir. And I'm the biggest fan for that.
Masara.
Yes, sir, I literally copied that dance form, sir. And especially I have a question for both of you. आपका कोई upcoming Tollywood में ऐसे projects क्या आ रहे हैं क्या सर? आप दोनों के Tollywood और South cinema में?
I was just shooting in Hyderabad till last night, and there were many Telugu directors who met me. As soon as I have something really interesting, exciting, till then there are Telugu directors who are making things in Hindi. I'll work with them.
Thank you so much.
And with you, Priya Madam, too. You are a full film सारी है.
Telugu में? हाँ, अभी तो शुरू होगी from. Thank you so much for somebody asked me also a question. Thank you.
Ma'am, I know you since Drona, ma'am. The film Drona.
Yeah.
From Drona, I'm a biggest fan of you, sir.
You didn't get any other film to be a fan of? so many other films on my roster, man, and you're saying only that one film.
Yamadonga, ma'am.
See, you should have started off with that first. But thank you so much. But yes, I will be starting a Telugu film very, very soon in December.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And also, if any other South fans are there, I have a film with Talapati Vijay that's coming out in January.
Big one, big announcements, yes. And where's the mic now? Do you already have it in your hand? Mic is coming to you, please. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, hi. This is Diksha from Filmigyan, and my question is to Dimrit and Jaideep sir. How does it feel to be a part of Family Man season 3? And if you could describe your experience in just one word, it would be great.
One word is too little here. eight word
Shut up, experience.
But it was mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. I've had just the best time, and as a fan of the show, to be a part of it now, the journey is just something that it's a bucket list thing, you know. To watch something and you're a fan and you love their creation, you know, the characters, they feel like your own sort of property, you know. Sometimes when you see certain actors and certain characters on screen, it feels like, you know, ab aage kya hoga, ye hoga, nahi hoga, and then to be a part of that story, it's really the biggest, most thrilling experience as an actor. So it feels great.
Our mic is all ready with our next person. Yes? Or
Hello.
you want to mic?
Hi. This side.
Yeah.
I'm Narinder Gulami. मनोज सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है सर, ये जो फैमिली मैन की जो फैमिली है और जो आपकी फैमिली है वो बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे ट्रेलर के अंदर आज एक सवाल मैंने देखा जो आपको जवाब देना भी फैमिली को बता रहे हो, शारिफ सर बोल रहे हैं कि बता दें, राइट. सो जो आप बता रहे हो कि हाँ मैं एजेंट हूँ और वो समझ लेता है ट्रैवल एजेंट, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपकी फैमिली में जब वो बच्चे आप पे ग्रोन अप हो गए थे, उनको जब आपने बताया था कि आप एक एक्टर हो तो उनका रिएक्शन क्या था?
एक ही बच्चा है. बेटी आ गई, शिक्षा द्वारी के 2 है. नहीं, मेरी बेटी, उसको तो बचपन से पता है कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ. तो क्या बोलूं, मतलब it's a very natural thing, but, you know, for her it's very natural that I'm out for shooting. It's very natural for her that you know, that Papa goes out to make some living out of something that he really loves. And she respects it, she admires whatever she sees of me, and she's a big fan of Family Man, and she's a big fan of Sharif Hashmi more than me.
Oh, nice.
And one more question is
please tell that किस्सा ना जो बोला था जेके, जो वीडियो ने बोला था जब जेके.
हाँ, मेरी बेटी का मैं आपको बताया था, सबको पता नहीं, आपको पता है कि नहीं, पहले सीजन के बाद उसको जो है वो उसने सीरीज देखा, मैंने कहा हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट? शी सेड या इट्स वेरी गुड पापा, एंड शी डिडंट से एनीथिंग. आई मीन शी डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज द फैक्ट दैट आई एम फैमिली मैन इन द, यू नो. And then right after one day of watching Family Man, she shouted and screamed one day and she said, Papa, come here. I ran towards the gate, that's where she was standing. She said, Jackie is here, Papa. Jackie is here.
So cute. Thank you, Narinder, for your question.
One more question. It's for the Rajan DK sir. Sir, आप राइटर भी खुद ही हो, डायरेक्टर भी खुद ही हो. क्या ऐसा होता था सेट पे कभी कि आपने सीन कुछ और लिखा था बट सेट पे जाके आपने सीन ही बदल दिया इस सीजन के अंदर?
We only write, we write and we direct, so that's
अगर डायरेक्ट करते हो जो whatever we write वो कुछ और हो गया तो वो वैसे लिखेंगे.
पेपर वर्क पूरा किया है.
Hello. Yeah, this is Rajiv Vijaykar here. My question is for Raj and DK. It's been about 5 years since you. It's been about 5 years since you last made a film, and we really enjoyed One and those kind of films. And you already also written 3. So when is the next big screen thing planned? And is it because आपको अभी series बनाने में ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है? Style.
No, because these guys don't let us go easily. Amazon is like, you have to make Family Man 3. have to like birthday too. So not able to make a feature, but 2026 we have this one.
Thank you for asking that question because I'm already asking for work. I'm standing right in the front in the line.
Love it.
But Raj is a very diplomatic, he always ready with the diplomatic answer. Of course, Manoj, you are there in our mind.
Love it.
Hi.
Thank you for the question.
Hi, Jenny. Hi.
You might have to stand up for us, thank you, if you don't mind, on the stage on that side, please. Thank you. Yes.
Hi, Jenny. Sana from India today. Firstly, congratulations to Prime Video. I mean, to have an actor play such different characters in the same year, it's a great feat. Jagdeep, for you, a lot of people have been asking me that is it Haniram in this show too? So how challenging was it to break from that image? And you saw on stage the camaraderie that you and Manoj shared. Tell me about the experience of working as Nemesis on screen while you have so much love and respect for him.
पहला सवाल तो ये ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी इनकी बनी कि हाउ we can celebrate Hatharam family. तो here everything was designed by Rajniki sir, and I tried to fit in, and the excitement to work with the person who inspires you every day, Manoj bhai. So उनके साथ काम करना ही अपने आप में एक तो देखना ऑन सेट कि हाँ ये इंसान तैयारी कर रहा है, वो बहुत कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस होता है। I'm sure जितने एक्टर्स ने इनके साथ काम किया होगा या डायरेक्टर्स ने काम किया होगा, तो वो बहुत बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन था टू उपमा एंड द स्टोरी इटसेल्फ, जिस तरह से लिखा गया है, जितना जितना रूथलेस, जितना बेफिक्र उपमा है लाइफ को लेके, हथराम उसके आसपास भी नहीं है। वो बहुत फिक्रमंद आदमी है, तो वो बहुत एक्साइटेड चीज थी इस कैरेक्टर को करने के लिए। एंड यू नो द शो, यू नो द आर्ट ऑफ इट, यू नो द स्टाइल ऑफ इट, सो दैट हेल्प्ड अ लॉट to play Rukma in a different light.
Well, thank you so much for your question, Sana. And with that, of course, we are going to conclude the media Q&A. If there are still hands up, maybe we can have just one more. I don't know. Can you come right here?
Yeah, I just wanted to take a minute to talk to my favorite actors. I just want to call Darshan up on stage. Darshan's been our favorite actor since season 1, and we did a film together. Please, Darshan, please have a seat. I have a question for you. What do you think of our journey with us together? Do you still love us? Do you hate us? How is it going?
आप दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि मेरा ये 3rd सीजन है आपके साथ, और मैं एक फिल्म भी पहले कर चुका हूँ, अब जेंटलमैन। और आप दोनों से जितनी मुझे फ्रीडम मिलती है एज एन एक्टर, वो मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि आप एज एन एक्टर में फ्री छोड़ते हैं और कहते हैं कि आप कुछ अपना लाइए, और उसमें कहीं भी लगता है कि कुछ इधर उधर जा रहा है तो आप सिर्फ आप आकर दोनों कान में कुछ बोलते हैं और वो मैजिकल बन जाता है। सो थैंक यू सो मच, एंड वर्किंग इन दिस द फैमिली मैन, मनोज भाई जी, हमारे पावर हाउस टैलेंट, सारे जो भी अभी स्टेज पे खड़े हैं हमारे सारे पावर हाउस टैलेंट्स हैं, और इनके साथ काम करना इट्स लाइक मैजिकल फॉर मी। सो आई फील ग्रेटफुल एंड thank God I'm here with you guys today.
Well, thank you so much. Yes.
And I'd like to call our Vipin, who's in pretty much everything we make. Vipin, I didn't call you to praise us. Please tell something about your journey.
We leave that to Manoj.
I was lucky Family Man came to me all of a sudden. I wasn't supposed to be in it. Somehow I became part of it. And I must say it's been, it actually changed my position in the film industry.
That's what I believe. So thank you so much.
May I go ahead and actually invite a few more people to the party? Yeah, may I do that? Could we please request Ashlesha Thakur, Seema Biswas,
Seema Biswas ji, Seema Biswas ji,
Dalip ji, please come up, please.
Seema ji, it's such an honor to have you with us.
Palin,
Please request you.
please come. Arman.
Can I also
Ashlesha.
request all my friends on stage to
Ashlesha,
come
yeah.
and back on there?
Yes.
Just if you could follow this mark, if you could come and stand right here. Thank you so much. All right.
चल निकालू हो गया
This is a party.
ठीक है वो इतना कुछ काम का नहीं है
Can I please
Can I call the HODs up, please? Jay, Neha, Cheshta, Sumit, Parishit, please come up. I hope you all can hear me. And and the superlative crew from Amazon, please come up. Saira, Prateek.
पूरा बुला दे स्टेज पे बुला लो यार
Family man, and here they are. The entire family is on stage at this point. For our friends from the media, of course, we're going to help you take this amazing moment. But for that, just give us a minute. We have a few of our friends who might stand up on the riser right behind us. We'll orchestrate it for you, don't worry.
वाईफाई
Sivaji, of course, the woman who knows of steel, playing Prime Minister Basu Seema Biswas. Vipin Sharma Sahab, the man who's weathered many political storms, the aide to the PM, Vipin Sharma as Mr. Sambit. You guys can give a round of applause for these amazing actors, yeah? From diplomatic briefings to combat zones, he's the man who's experienced too much. Kulkarni sir himself, Mr. Dalip Nair! Kumar, an unrelenting rival, the fierce Major Samir. Harman Singh, an officer with quick wit and quicker reflexes, and the wanting of the Shrikant Tiwari, as officially wanted. Harman as Yatish Chawla. Palin Kabak portrays the raw and powerful role of Stephen Kozu in season 3. May I also call upon Stuti Ramachandra, director and head of production and post, International Originals Prime Video, and I hope Saira's right there by her side, lead the Hindi script franchises Prime Video India, and that is the family of the family man on our stage, please.
कितने लोग बुलाए भाई टाइम कितने लोग